What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Spigen Tough Armor Pro for the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. You can purchase this off of Amazon, $25.99 for the gunmetal color and $26.99 for the black color. Important factors to me while making this purchase was that I wanted something that would protect the tablet, but also I would like a kickstand. Along with the kickstand, I needed to make sure that I had good S Pen support, meaning somewhere to place the S Pen where it would not come loose or me lose it. And here we are with the Spigen Tough Armor Pro case sitting before me. Now it's time to find out, will it be able to take care of all my needs? Let's do this!
Gadgets.
Now, I've had my Galaxy Tab S7 Plus for a few months and I've actually been using it without any protection, so shame on me. But today's a different day because I have this Spigen Tough Armor Pro case. So it is military grade drop tested, and I did get the black color. So this is just a quick box tour so you guys can see. But on the back, it's telling you the correct way to place the pen so that it can stay in place, but also charge. Plus we have the air cushion technology, as well as what? A kickstand. One thing I appreciate about Spigen packaging is the pull tabs make it easy to get to your product. So somewhere down the line, you may have an issue with your kickstand coming off. No worries, Spigen has you covered with how to put it back on. I've had my share of Spigen cases for my smartphone. As you see, they're very similar, just the tablet obviously is on a larger scale. Spigen calls this air cushion technology, so that's what we're looking at now. Attention to detail, I totally see it. So while we're taking a look, let's go up and we can actually see there is a cutout for the camera as well as the pen storage. So if I turn this around, we'll get a better look at what you'll see when you have it on, and it's actually made very well, so I can see that it most likely can withstand drops. Let me get you a closer look at the design of this case. Now to test out the kickstand, use your thumb to pull up the kickstand. Then this little piece right here, you're going to slide it until you hear it click. Then once you want to put it away, again slide it back and snap back the kickstand. I'm now going to go ahead and insert the tablet inside of the case. So I always like to start with the side that has the camera on, and then I go to the remaining corners and snap those all in. So this is a nice snug fit, I'm noticing. And once you think you have all the corners in, what you're going to want to do is actually keep going around the case to ensure that it is completely and fully on. So see right here, I still need to get some of the case on, but here's the first look and my first feel with the case on, and I'm going to say it definitely does add weight to the tablet. And I'll go ahead and put the pen in. So yes, we do have some noticeable weight, definitely. One thing I do notice is my camera protection is off the hook. Look how deep the cameras are. So also what I noticed with looking at the camera are these little feet. So this is going to help you when you have it on a flat surface to stay stable. So as you see, I'm kind of moving it and it's not really moving too much, so that helps with stability. Looking at the screen protection that this case offers, I do notice that all sides are raised, giving you some screen protection just in case you drop it. So a great protection all across the board. I notice pressing the buttons, very easy, they're not stiff or anything like that. Let's go ahead and take a look around the case, and precise cutouts is what we come to expect. After holding the tablet with the case on, I can say that the extra weight that the case adds doesn't bother me too much. Let's go ahead and test out now the kickstand with the tablet actually in the case, and same way, and that seems like a actually sturdy kickstand. Now let's go ahead and see if the ports are precise. I'm going to go ahead and just plug in my charging cable. As you see, no issues. And then when I'm done, I'll just go ahead and pull it back out. When using the S Pen storage, make sure the flat side is up against the tablet so that you can maintain charging if needed. As you see, it's charging. I'm now going to go ahead and do an S Pen bell test, meaning is this thing gonna fall and bell on you? And it looks like it is holding that S Pen in place and it is not moving. I'm going to say that I'm really enjoying my Spigen Tough Armor Pro case for this tablet. One thing to note is that the kickstand will only work in landscape or horizontally, not vertically. I'm going to say that yes, this Spigen case has definitely met my needs for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.